Well, I was thinking, I got thoughts of my dad, my mom, what have you, this time of year. Thanksgiving, fall, my mom liked it, I like it. My mom used to always make a great thing. Apple pie. It was so good, my dad told her, you got to put those into the fair. They're so good, into contest. And she did, and she won first prize, amazingly, right? Well, it's not amazing because the pies were great. But it's amazing that my dad told her to do that, and all these years later, she did it, and she got first prize back when she was alive. And hopefully my dad was aware of that, even though he passed. Anyways, I think I'll attempt at making an apple pie. I already have the dough made, which I made in a previous show for the raspberry tarts. That's been in the freezer for quite a while. Can I still use it? It's there. We'll try it. Technically not. I should be making a new batch, but I'm kind of lazy. That's why I put the filling in and make the crumb top, which is my favorite. So yeah, come along. We'll make this apple crumb pie in memory of my mom and dad for Thanksgiving. Okay, I've got my bowl and everything else I need right here. And all that I need will be apples, obviously, sugar, white and brown, cinnamon, allspice, some cloves, some lemon juice, and some flour, and some hope. Now it's time to peel these apples, and I need an assistant. Kritika, where are you?
Hey!
Hey, how's it going?
It's going good. Happy Thanksgiving!
Oh yeah, it really is.
What are you doing today?
I am making an apple pie. It's going to be apple crumb pie, and you know what? Since you're so excited... Oh, by the way, this is Kritika, all the way from India. She's here
Hello.
to celebrate Thanksgiving with me. Excellent. Yeah. So, what better chore for her to do is to peel the apples, right?
Why not?
Because this is what everyone loves to do in Canada, right?
Give it to me.
Trust
I'll do
me.
it.
Are you excited? Yeah. Peel the apple and... Trust me, this is what everyone loves to do. So you just peel away and here you go.
Okay. Are you sure this is gonna be fun?
Oh yeah, it's great fun. Everyone does it in Canada.
Hey, do you really think this is interesting? Peeling the apples?
Oh yeah, whoever peels the apple is considered the queen of Thanksgiving. Trust me, everyone wants to do this. It's an honor. Now just shut up and keep peeling.
Okay. I think I'm gonna take 2 days for peeling so many apples.
Man, as you can see, I ended up peeling the apples. She went on a break. She hasn't been back for an hour. Now I'm peeling the damn apples. I think she clued in that I tricked her into peeling the apples. Oh well, that didn't last too long. So first of all, you want to mix all the dry ingredients into a bowl. So here's a half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, some nutmeg, and of course, cinnamon. And a dash of salt. Now just blend that all together, like so. Then we're going to add the sliced apples. Okay, the apples are all peeled and sliced, added to the bowl of the dry mixture, flour, sugar, and cinnamon and whatnot. Now you got to add a bit of lemon juice, which I guess keeps the apples from turning brown. And then we're going to mix it all together, coat all the apple pieces with the dry mixture. I'm using 2 forks to coat the apples with the dry mixture. And if you're wondering why there's flour in the mixture, it thickens it up like a gravy. So it's like a sugary, beautiful gravy coating the apples. And it's just going to be marvelous in the mouth. Okay, the apples are all coated with the dry mixture. Now it's time to roll out the dough. Not looking forward to that. So first you want to add flour to your countertop, or wherever you're going to roll it out, so it won't stick to the surface. Okay, time to roll it out. Hopefully this dough is going to be even workable, because it's been in the freezer for like a year. I'm too lazy to make a new batch, so let's hope this will work. And I'm having my doubts, but we'll see. Okay, amazingly, I was able to roll it out. to quite a good size, which I'm quite impressed with. Now let's match it up to the pie plate. This might work. Let's find out. Okay, now let's see if I can get this into the pie plate without destroying it. Oh boy. Yay.
Whoa!
Oh boy. Okay, amazingly that's in there. Now you just want to press it into the sides, like so. I'm amazed that I even got the dough rolled out and fitting into the pan. So now I'm just going to pinch the edges to make them look a little fancier. So it looks like I knew what I was doing. Look at that. Isn't that amazing that the dough fit in? Well, it shouldn't be amazing, but it is amazing because that dough's been in the freezer for like over a year. So it's amazing that it rolled out and it fits into the pie plate. This is great. Now time to add the filling. So just put your pie filling into the pie crust. Obviously, you wouldn't want to put it on the outside of it. And spread it around. Now you want it to be fairly high because it's going to shrink while you bake it. Oh man, I had the idea to add blueberries to this pie. Well, who says I can't put them on top of the apples? There's no rules to baking, right? It's an experiment. You know, there's no rules to cooking or baking. This is how the French created all their crazy masterpiece recipes, just by throwing things together and see what happens. So that's what I'm doing here. Actually, you know what? It's looking kind of cool. Look at that. Apple blueberry pie. There. I actually kind of mixed the blueberries in there a bit, just so it's blended all the way through. But yeah, at least I was able to get them in there. Now to make the crumb topping the best part. Okay, the ingredients for the topping is 1 cup of flour, half a cup of brown sugar, cinnamon of course, about a teaspoon, actually tablespoon I'd say. Now a hint of cloves. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients before I add the butter. Okay, now that the dry mixture is mixed all together, add your half a cup of butter. And we're going to mix it all together till it looks crumbly. Mixing together till it all looks crumbly. Alright, now see how it's all crumbly? Not sure if you can see that in the camera, but it looks crumbly, and it should be because it's crumble. Anyways, now I'm going to put this on top of the pie mixture, but first, I just got an idea. Let's put a little caramel on top. Yeah. A little caramel won't hurt. Caramel and apples go together. Look at that caramel on top. Now add your crumb topping over top of that. Cover completely. This is going to be amazing. Now we're going to put it into a preheated oven at 400 and put it on top of a cookie sheet, so when it spills over, it's going to go on the sheet and not the bottom of the oven. Oh, did you hear that? That means the oven's preheated. So I've got the pie on this cookie sheet, so if it spills over, it's going to go on the cookie sheet, not the bottom of the oven. So now the pie is ready to go into the oven.
Oh, did you say it's ready?
Pardon? No, it's not ready yet. It still has to bake. So be patient.
I can't wait for it.
I can't wait either, but we're going to have to. So settle down, girl. Okay, into the oven. Alright, I set the timer to 15 minutes, going to bake it at 400, and then reduce the heat down to 350 and bake that for 40 minutes. Oh man, it smells amazing in here. The cloves, the apples, the cinnamon. I can hardly wait. Got my gloves on and I got I changed my shirt because it took so long to bake this thing. So if you don't remember what I said, it's 15 minutes at 400 and then 40 minutes at 350. So let's see if that worked out. Oh, watch your face when you open the oven. It's pretty hot. Oh, smells amazing, and oh my god, it looks absolutely amazing. Check out this pie. I think the crust turned out really good too. I want to let it cool for about 2 hours. Then we'll pig in, and hopefully it's going to be good. Okay, now it's time to try the pie out. We're going to cut it And I'm going to try it and see how good it is. And we also have some other taste testers here.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, so they're anxiously waiting for the pie. They're like, okay. Smells great. Oh my God, look at that.
So
the
delicious.
Apples and the blueberry and the caramel.
Oh,
Amazing. Well, how is it?
amazing.
Thank you. There's one satisfied pie eater, and now for Kritika.
Thank you.
What are you doing? Are you heating yours up? Yes,
Yeah.
that's a must.
I can't wait to have it.
Yeah.
Delicious. Superb. I love it. Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome. So what do you like about it?
I love the apple pie. Everything is superb. Even the mixture, the fillings, the fruits are easily like blend in the pie, and even the crust. Oh, I love it.
Oh, it's good that you said the crust because that's
Yeah.
the main important thing. So
Correct.
my mom should be proud of me for making this pie.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And if she's looking from the heaven, she'll like kiss you or maybe hug you and say, "I'm proud of you."
Is that her up there? That old crow? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, cool. Now it's my turn.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, 2 satisfied pie eaters. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Make
I
my
love
mom
it.
proud. Now I gotta taste this, make sure it really is as good as they claim.
It is. Yay!
Oh my God. It's phenomenal. Absolutely amazing. I can't believe that crust is even good too, because that was been in the freezer for like maybe 4 years. I don't know.
1 year.
Whenever I made those raspberry tarts, it was quite a while ago. So yeah, it's great. The blueberries, the caramel. These are Macintosh apples.
You should make it again.
Yes, I shall. I'm not a big fan of the Granny Smith apples, which are too crispy and too tart. I don't like that. I like this. Macintosh is the best for apple pie. Proof is right here. And witnesses, taste testers, loving it.
Yeah.
So this
It's
is kind of cool.
delicious.
My mom will be proud because she was a good pie maker herself.
So guys, whenever you come to Steve's house, you should try this. It's super. You love it. You should start a new business.
Yeah. Cheers to my awesome apple blueberry pie. I'm gonna have another piece. First I must finish this one.